Good evening. Netherlands is the first country in the world to legalize euthanasia. What do you mean by this euthanasia? This is, some people pronounce it as euthanasia, but it is euthanasia. The meaning of euthanasia is mercy killing, meaning some people they are troubled with lots of health problems and lots of pain, and they are guaranteed that they are not going to live for a long period of time. Till whatever the period they may be living, they are living with the sufferings. That is the reason why some drugs may be administered to them and they should be permitted to die on the request that is made by the concerned person or the very closest relatives. This is called mercy killing and it is called euthanasia. In this scenario, Netherlands became the first country in the world, followed by Belgium. Right? And also remember one thing here, even in India in the year 2018, in one of the cases, Supreme Court also permitted to take away the life saving supporters from a patient because the condition is very clear and the condition is very critical. There is so much of suffering with respect to the patient. So, this is what happened. And very recently, meaning in the year 2019, even in New Zealand, a law has been passed. And that law has been put to the so called the referendum. And as far as the referendum is concerned, that particular referendum is related to whether referendum means public opinion. In that referendum, it was asked to say yes or no on one issue. What is that? Whether euthanasia be permitted in New Zealand or not. And more than 50% of the population they have voted for legalizing euthanasia. Meaning euthanasia has been legalized in New Zealand, but this is going to come into effect after 12 months. Clear? Please remember. So, this is a much discussed and debated subject throughout the world. This is with respect to taking the life of someone who is very sure that he or she is not going to live for a longer period of time. Clear? So, this one, and we have some other information. I'll be discussing all the information with you now. Look at this. Look at this. The first question we have today is the recently Indian Navy, right? Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, right? Always there in the news. Recently, Indian Navy test fired the anti-ship missile from INS Shivalix, INS Kora, or INS Himachal. Please look at this very clearly, and the answer is option B, that is INS Kora. Right? Look at this. So, Indian Navy testified anti-ship missile from INS Kora in Bay of Bengal. And the missile was testified in the Bay of Bengal and it hit the target ship at maximum range with a precise accuracy. So, that is a beautiful thing. And what exactly is this anti-ship missile? It is a guided missile and has been designed for use against ships and large boats. And most of the anti-ship missiles are of the sea skimming variety, while some of them use combination of inertial guidance and active radar homing. Please remember this one. We are strengthening our military system as a part of this. So, this is again one more strength that has been added to the Indian Navy. Look at this. Next one. Recently, which country has voted in favor of legalizing euthanasia? Right? Legalizing euthanasia. Australia, New Zealand, Canada, or Germany, and the latest country is the New Zealand. Right? Look at this. Answer is B. All these are important points. Please have a look at this. The people of New Zealand have voted in favor of legalizing euthanasia for people with a terminal illness. And the act was passed in the year 2019, but requires that it gets at least 50% of the votes in the 2020 referendum to be effective. Alright? Now it got it. What is this euthanasia? First of all, this is the practice of ending a life to relieve pain and suffering intentionally. And some countries have, this accepted for this, and many countries oppose this. Belgium became the second country in the world. Netherlands is the first country, and Belgium is the second country in the world to pass the law in the year 2000. Please remember, Netherlands is the first country to legalize euthanasia. Belgium is the second country to legalize euthanasia. Another important point, please look at this very carefully, more sensitive one rather. Belgium became the first country to legalize euthanasia for children. Very, very, very delicate one, very sensitive one, and it was done by Belgium. Kindly remember, whenever these type of things are there in the news, the questions that are related to GK may also be asked in the examination. Like, which is the first country to legalize euthanasia? Answer is Netherlands. Which is the second country? Belgium. And the question may also be like this: which is the first country in the world to legalize euthanasia for children? Then your answer should be Belgium. Please be very careful. In these type of questions, Netherlands and Belgium both may be given. During that time, you need to be very careful, since this is related to the legalizing euthanasia for children, and the answer should be Belgium. Am I clear? Very, 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 very important. Next, so we'll be going ahead. Now, look at this. Another important one. Recently, which of the following has launched the National Program and Project Management Policy Framework? Niti Aayog, CII, DST, or none of the above? Answer is option A. Look at this very carefully. Niti Aayog and Quality Council of India launched National Program and Project Management Policy Framework, and this aims to bring radical reforms in the way infrastructure projects are executed in India. Very, 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 very important. Right? Now, we'll be going ahead. Another important one. Look at this. And I told you already, so many questions which are related to current affairs, even with respect to science and technology, are being asked. Look at this. This is related to the same. Serb power is sometimes seen in the news. This is an initiative of Ministry of Education, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Home Affairs, or Ministry of Women and Child Development. Please remember, very important one, and the answer is option B, that is Ministry of Science and Technology. Look at this. The Union Minister has launched a scheme called Serb Power, meaning promoting opportunities for women in exploratory research. And the initiative is exclusively meant for women scientists on an e-platform. Very, 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 very important. And kindly, we need to follow what are all the developments that are happening even through the so-called the Ministry of Science and Technology. Fine. So that's all for today. I'll see you in the next class with more current affairs. Thank you so much. Take very good care.